Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 4th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, the binary, and the last puzzle I will do is the Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, number 6228. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 12, but for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 star, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Next question, do we have dual boxes? Let me scan the puzzle. Dual boxes, no dual boxes in this puzzle. Then the following question, triple boxes then. I see here a triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, this box can be a 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Same for this triple box. I cannot fill those numbers, need to wait for more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is this box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Alright, quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Then the following step or strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one T shape we have here in this puzzle. Then the following shape, figure, structure or construction. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? Let me check. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case it's a 3. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So This box has the same name as that box. Alright, Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes, figures, structures or constructions? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes in this area are reserved for the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We already have a 4 here in this area, so it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These are 3 boxes, so around the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes, so around the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box, should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, alright. These are 3 boxes, so around the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, we have a double 4 there. That means I cannot place the 4 here. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be there and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, can be a 5 anymore because we have a 5 already here. So this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes, so around the 4 can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be here. Then let me see, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. These are 3 boxes, so around the 3 can be a 3, so so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, let me mark those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in. Oh, we already have a 2 here. Error. Okay. Overlooked. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Then these are 3 boxes, so round the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Round the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, we have a double 2 there. It can be 3, we have a double 3 there. It can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. That box is also connected with this box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can't be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 5 should be there, and the 3 goes in there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be a 2, we have a double 2 there. Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5. Alright, here we have also 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 1. 5 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 4 there, number 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, not quite a 4 stars Tectonic, not quite a 3 stars Tectonic, not quite a 2 stars Tectonic. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.